To create quilted background stitches, use the Bernina Stitch Designer, which is a feature of the Bernina 880 and the Bernina 790. To do this, first select the Stitch Designer. Since the stitch we want to design is wider than 9 millimeters wide, please select 9 millimeters. Now we can make this design any width that we choose. The next step is select Snap to Grid. Then all of the points as we are designing will automatically snap to the grid. Next, select the Move Point. When selecting Move Point, I can click on the last point and move it wherever I choose. I want it to go to the first diagonal point. Now in making my zigzag pattern, I want to add 20 stitches. To do that, simply select Duplicate 20 times. The first half of my triangle design is now 20 millimeters wide. Select the Insert Edit icon. Select the first diagonal grid point going down. Again, duplicate until your triangle pattern is complete. To see the entire design, zoom in, and we can see our one triangle that has been created. For our design, we want to have 6 triangles. This will make my design or my border 9 inches in length. To duplicate this, I select the entire triangle and then duplicate. The design is now ready to send to our embroidery machine to embroider. To do that, select the Home icon, go to Personal Program, and the first stitch that is ready to select is the design we just designed in the Stitch Designer. Right now, we could stitch this out as a quilt border, or we can duplicate this to fill in an entire quilted background. Simply duplicate the number of times desired, and then group the design so it is one unit. Now we are ready to use pinpoint placement to place the design where we want and then stitch.